Today I'm going today I'm going to be talking about electrolysis. So what is electrolysis? Electrolysis, electron, and lysis means separation. It is the process of inserting electrical energy to convert it into chemical. This can be classified into two types, which are galvanic and electrolytic. Let's see about them more. Let's step electrolysis. Introduction to galvanic cell and electrolytic cell. Introduction to electrolysis. Electrolysis is the process of using electricity to break down a substance. It usually involves passing an electric current. So, electrolysis means that we should pass the electric current through a liquid or a solid solution. It helps in extracting or separating elements. So, we can take an example of breaking water into hydrogen and oxygen. Next, we'll move on to the simple meaning. So electron means electricity and lysis means breaking, as I told. Electrolysis means breaking a compound using electricity. So the same example, splitting water into hydrogen gas is given here. Next, we move on to galvanic cell. So what is a galvanic cell? Galvanic cell is when cell produces electricity from a chemical reaction. So in this galvanic cell, chemical energy will be converted into electrical energy. We can take the example as batteries. Zinc and copper corrode electrodes in solution create electric current. So if the both of these electrodes in solution create electric current. An electric cell uses electricity to make a chemical reaction. So an electric cell uses electricity to make a chemical reaction happen in electrolytic cell. It converts electrical energy into chemical energy. For example, electroplating or splitting water needs an external power source like a battery. Okay, now let's move on to the next slide. Now let's compare galvanic and electrolytic cell. So in galvanic cell, it produces electricity, but in electrolytic cell, it uses electricity. In galvanic cell, chemical energy to electrical energy, while in electrolytic cell, electrical change to chemical change. For example, in galvanic cell, we can take battery, and electrolytic cell, we can take splitting of hydrogen, H2O into H2 plus O. So today we learned about electrolysis. What is the meaning of electrolysis? The different types of electrolysis, the galvanic and electrolytic cells, and the differences between. Thank you.